guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're playing Super Doomspire with my friends Gamerat and Explosion 55555. Gamerat 555 and Explosion 55555 and B-Boy. So, yeah, we're playing Super Doomspire. Choose a game mode. Which one? Oh, infection. Infection. Two teams. Okay.
I chose classic. I chose classic.
Ocean.
I can't vote for some reason. I can't vote
Ocean, yes.
for some reason.
Guys,
Looks like we're doing
and
ocean.
Subscribe for more videos. Starting soon.
So,
okay,
Roof, what team are you on?
I'm on red with Explosion. Let's go. Woo!
Dude, we're all on a team together, dude. Let's go. Oh, I just fired at red. Dude. I feel like such an idiot. I fired at my own team.
Oh, I didn't know that fell. Oh.
Oh, no. Alright, I'm gonna bomb jump over to yellow on my side. Hey, Explosion, what's up, dude?
Oh, sorry, Declan. I didn't know that was you. I'm yellow. I know, I'm red. Oh wait, I don't know.
Explosion's not in the Discord. He can't hear us. He's not in the Discord.
Oh, sad. Okay, boom, okay.
I'm currently taking out somebody.
I ran right into that. Oh my gosh. Die.
Dude, I am taking out the yellow layer. They have no idea what's hitting them. Bomb? Actually, they do have an idea. They know it's me that's hitting them.
Yeah, you're hitting them. It's actually kind of obvious. I mean, you're saying.
So, Roop, how's your day been so far?
Obviously, you're hitting them. I'm on red, yeah.
Roop, how's your day been so far?
Pretty nice.
Wait, I just stuck a bomb to a wall.
No, friends.
Wait,
no,
what?
Friends.
Wait, why is yellow floating? I'm so confused. There we go. They're going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. The jokes are unbearable. Explosion! Help me kill him! Oh, come on! Hey! The person who killed me, Explosion just killed, dude.
Oh, he's a hammer. Oh, I'm still alive.
Dude, I just struck the bomb down at.
I didn't know that.
Oh, dude. I love lunging in this game. This game.
Let's get him. Where are they? Okay. Oh, finally. Orange is going down. Whoa! I don't want to.
And everyone, if you don't know what map we are playing Ocean 2 teams in Super Doomspire on Roblox.
Yep.
Oh no!
Oh, I almost fell down.
Oh, dude, I almost fell down. I was on a yellow plate and I almost. Oh.
Yes.
I slipped through the middle.
Finally, been waiting to get that guy for so long.
Oh no, we're going down, boys. We're going down. I'm yelling timber.
No, Marvy. Hey, Marvy.
No. Yellow has no spawns left. Come here, Yellow. Come here. Oh, dude, I just killed someone.
I am a backflipping genius, y'all. Look at me, I'm backflipping.
You can't backflip in this game. You can only lunge.
Dude, check me out. Dude, look at me. I'm at the middle. Dude, look at me
backflipping. Yeah, Explosion just killed somebody. Nice job, Explosion. Oh, Yellow better run. Yellow has to run, boy.
Oh, man.
You know, this seems like a fitting end.
Somebody with the sword, every time you click with the sword, you backflip.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
there's only one
yellow. I see Yellow. I'm going in. No, I missed him. Wait, I think he's dead. No, he's not dead. Where is he? Come here, boy. Come here, Georgie. Georgie.
Georgito.
No, come on. No. Die. No. dude.
Hey,
He's
dude, do
impossible
you
to
see
hit.
the backflipping? Oh, he
No,
got me.
he
He got
got
me. He got me,
Dude,
dude.
he got both of us. He is
good.
literally, dude, as the cool kids say, an epic PvPer. Oh, dude, he he just went so high up. All right, I'm bomb jumping after him.
He's right here, dude.
No, come on. No, I missed.
Holy cow. He's right here.
I missed my bomb jump. Dude, I missed my bomb jump. I see him. I'm going in. Dude, that guy is so good at the game. He has been practicing.
Kind of unfair, but
Oh,
you can
yeah.
you can see it.
Come on, he's so low. He's so low. Why
Oh, I
isn't
finally see him.
he dead? Dude, why isn't he dead? Dude, that man is in. Yeah!
Yeah,
He
we
fell off the
won.
map.
Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, that was such a fun game, dude. That was
Got
such a fun
him.
game.
Oh, I got a red
GG.
spire. Equip. I got a red spire.
GG.
Yeah.
I literally just keep saying GG. No. I can't bomb jump up. Oh! I wanted to bomb jump up, but my bomb backfired.
Oh, what's this?
Ow! No! Somebody's getting me! Ah! Get away from me! Get away from me! Ah, no! I'm dead.
High explosion. Oh, wait, what?
Daily items. A giant rat? Why would you want that? I'm so confused. Why would you want that?
Infection.
Tools. An ice sword. Dude, I'm buying an ice sword.
Ice sword. Nice, man.
Oh.
Crimson.
Wait,
Oh, man.
No! I don't have my ice sword equipped.
Oh, man.
Ice sword.
Survive
Ice
against
sword.
the
Why
infected.
want to equip?
Oh, no. It's the really good guy. Vasquez? I don't know.
Oh, dude. You know, I'm becoming a zombie. I love becoming a zombie.
No,
It's so much fun.
Ben, don't! Oh,
Just
I mean,
oh,
Gamerat.
looks like Levi wants to become a zombie. Oh.
Okay, the infected must die.
No, the infected must die. Explosion! Where are you, explosion? I need your help, explosion! Help me! Oh, I think explosion's on their team.
Oh, he might be.
Is it?
He might be. Oh.
Oh, explosion is on. Oh, explosion is the bad guy. Oh! No! Dude, explosion! No!
Guys, I'm like just surviving.
Oh! Dude, I was just shuriken that and help me!
No, Declan! You cheater!
I was literally...
Cheater! Die!
Dude, I was literally just shurikened out of nowhere.
Stop
Nowhere
cheating.
whatsoever, I was just shurikened.
Die!
Oh, no! Explosion! No! Help! Oh, I killed him!
Nice, man!
I killed him! I'm dead. Well, I got my ice sword, boy! Super Ball! It's all or nothing! Explosion! Help me! Oh, dude, the ice cutter is too overpowered!
T.
Dude, the ice cutter is insane! The ice cutter is overpowered! Oh, dude, I took out one of their windows! It's all or nothing!
You cannot use the sword.
Yes, I can, Declan.
No!
Because you're looking on my
I'm
screen and
KO'd.
cheating, Declan. Yes, you are.
Dude, explosion is helping me out. Wait, there's only 3 living people left. Murder them!
Wait, you're not even living? Wow. These players are really bad.
No! Give me! Oh, come on! Wait, there's 2 people left and I see one of them. Athlete! Here!
Everyone's die!
Get them, Roo! Get every hit them! Die, Roo! Yeah!
zombie slayer.
Oh, dude, you are insane. Wait, I'm still a zombie. What? I'm still a zombie.
Die, zombies. Oh. I saw, dude, you just exploded.
No, I tried to bomb. Ow!
Dude.
Let me bomb jump, dude. I need to get
You
that
walked
thing.
away from it. You walked away from it. And then you walked away from the missile, and then you walked right into it.
I know I did. That's why it's so embarrassing.
This is the funniest thing ever.
Alright, two teams. Vote 2 teams. Dude, 2 teams I love.
Yeah, 2 teams. Okay.
2 teams. No. Do Galaxy.
Galaxy,
It's so much
Galaxy.
fun.
Galaxy. I chose Galaxy. Yes, we have Galaxy. It's Galaxy.
No!
Let me just get a. Just let me get something.
What team are you on, Roop?
Tools.
Roop, what team are you on?
I
what
am
team?
on blue.
Yes! Oh, everyone is on blue. Even Explosion. Dude, the ice cutter is overpowered. The ice cutter is overpowered. The ice cutter is so OP, dude. They should ban this. It's a very rare item, and it's so good. Oh, that's just satisfying to watch. Yeet!
Everybody's
Bam!
on blue except for Declan.
Oh, that was satisfying. Oh,
No,
sorry, B-boy.
Sorry, bro.
Sorry, B-boy. Sorry, B-boy.
Yeah. Let's go.
I'm so sorry, B-boy. I'm so sorry, B-boy. Bye. Roop, help me destroy everything. Wait, why is there a Zelda picture in here? I'm so confused. I just saw a Zelda picture. Oh, wait, what? I didn't even mean to kill B-boy, and I killed him. Oh no, dude, help me, help me.
I'm just firing randomly.
Yeah. Dude, destroy the picture of Zelda. There must be no evidence. Ow! I was just KO'd.
That guy was named Merp. Dude, you got killed by a guy named Merp. I mean, dude. His name is Merp. Merp. Okay.
No!
Yes, the tower will fall. Yes, the red tower has fallen.
One red tower. Oh, yours. Both of them.
Oh, dude, I just saw that. That's so satisfying. Oh, come on! I walked right into the walket. The walket.
Die.
You guys, I just walked right into the walket.
Okay.
Oh, dude, I just bomb jumped perfectly, and I missed it. You're joking.
Dude, I'm on
I
a
missed it, but I bombed
Dude,
jumped
I'm on a rock. Dude, I'm on a rock.
Yo,
I'm on a
Explosion, what's up?
I'm a spinner.
Oh wait, I just remembered. He's still not in the Discord. Explosion is still not in the Discord, so he can't hear anything.
Oh,
No!
sad.
How do I always miss my bomb jumps, dude? I miss every single bomb jump. Yeah, Roof! No! Oh no! Guys! I think we have
still
no
alive.
more phones! Sorry, my sister is a bit annoyed at us, but... Not gonna lie, I really want to talk really loud just to annoy my sister. Oh, I bomb jumped perfectly on here. Aha!
Yes, dude. Oh, get away. Oh my god.
Dude, I died right as
did
it
you
said
see-
no spawns left.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, I died right as it said no spawns left. I'm so mad.
literally-
I died right as it
Okay.
said.
Hope you guys like this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Do that stuff and bye. See ya.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.